And it's what we had been doing. What? Yeah. What can we combine up there? So if you look at number 1, what can you put together?
8.
The 8 and the 9. So a negative 8 and a negative 9 gives us a negative 17. So for this part right here, you're going to have a negative 17n. And then what about that other 7? Can you put it with anything?
1.
You can't put it with anything, so you could just drop it down. Okay, and so you could write this 2 ways. Negative 17n plus 7 or 7 minus 17n. Either one of those would work. Okay? Look at 3. What can you put together?
2 and 1.
No.
Oh.
I know, because you ain't been here. What can we put together? Who has the same last name?
2 and 7.
2 and 7. 2 and it goes in a negative 7. So you can put these 2 together. So a 2 minus 7 is going to give you negative 5b. And then what else do we have left we have not used?
1.
A 1 or a negative 1, really. Okay, so you're going to say minus 1. Okay, look at the next one. What can you put together?
8 and 8.
8 and 8 to give you, what is a negative 8 and a positive 8?
A positive number?
Negative 8 and a positive 8. If you don't chew with your damn mouth closed.
I am.
The whole.
My bad.
Okay, it's going to be 0p. Okay, you have to write the 0 though. Okay, it's not 1, it's 0. Okay, these ones, and maybe draw yourself a little line. These ones are all just combining like terms. Okay, those ones are all just combining like terms, and that's kind of a review from what we did the other day. Okay, we just put stuff together when we were adding and subtracting, etc. The next section on here is distributing though. Okay, this is all distributing. Okay, and it really means multiply. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You're going to say this first. So negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. And how many x's? From here to here do we have?
1.
1. So you're going to put x. Okay, and then you go this one times this one. So negative 5 times negative 9 is plus 45. How many x's from here to here?
1.
9.
None.
None. So we don't write any x's down. And so this is your answer. You're just multiplying. Okay, if we look at 9, we say this. So 5 times 1.
5.
Shit.
It's no letter.
5. And how many n's?
None.
None. 5 times 9 is 45. How many n's?
1.
1. And so the reason I stop and circle here, can you put the 5 and the 45 together?
Yeah. No.
No, why not?
Because one of them is an N. Because
One of them's an n and one of them's not.
Yeah.
Okay? So we can't put those terms together. Eventually you would distribute and then combine like terms, but you can't do that because, so look at 11. 5 times 1.
5.
5 times negative 10.
Uh-huh.
Negative 50. How many n's?
1.
1. Negative 8 times 2.
Negative 16.
Negative 8 times positive 8.
32.
Negative 64.
Oh shit.
How many r's?
I don't know if I are. I'm not even gonna lie.
There's one r. Yeah. Okay, look at 15. 7 times what?
1.
1. There's a 1 in front of that k. So 7 times 1.
So 7K.
7. And how many k's?
1.
7 times 2.
14.
So it's going to be plus 14.
This part easy.
It's supposed to be. I try to take it easy on you on Monday. Everybody's freaking tired. -4 times -7. What's a negative times a negative?
Positive.
4 times 7.
Isn't it 28?
28. How many x's?
1.
1. -4 times 7.
Isn't it negative?
It's going to be a -28.
Oh, right.
9 or -9 times 1.
Negative
-9.
-9.
-9 times -2.
Negative 18.
What's the negative times the negative?
Positive 18.
Positive 18. How many b's?
1.
1.
That was quick.
Okay, the rest is for you guys. Do all of the evens.